If you're searching for the best just released AI software, you've probably already heard about HoundDog AI. But before you decide whether it's the right tool for you, here are 7 crucial things you need to know. Stick around till the end to discover why it could change the game for you. And by the way, you can try this software for free through the first link in the description below. Let's jump straight into it. HoundDog AI, freshly launched, has been gaining a lot of buzz for its capabilities in automating tasks that traditionally required human input. But does it live up to the hype? Let's break it down. First, HoundDog AI is designed for businesses and professionals who want to leverage artificial intelligence for improving their productivity. It specializes in automating workflows, data analysis, and customer interactions with an intuitive interface. One of its key selling points is its simplicity, making it easy for non-tech-savvy users to get up and running quickly without a steep learning curve. If you're someone who's been frustrated with AI tools that are too complicated, HoundDog AI could be a game changer. What really sets HoundDog AI apart from the competition is its flexibility. Whether you're running a small business or managing a large-scale operation, HoundDog adapts to your needs. It integrates seamlessly with popular platforms like Google Analytics, Slack, and Salesforce. This means you can plug it into your existing setup and hit the ground running without having to switch up everything you're already using. Another major highlight is its data analysis capabilities. HoundDog doesn't just gather data. It analyzes it with machine learning to generate insights that can improve your decision-making. Whether it's identifying trends or predicting customer behavior, the AI gives you the tools to make smarter choices. It doesn't just save time, it helps you optimize your strategy. But let's talk about automation, which is where HoundDog really shines. It allows you to automate repetitive tasks like email marketing campaigns, scheduling, and even customer support interactions. Think about how much time you'll free up when you don't have to manually respond to inquiries or track down important metrics. The power to automate with HoundDog means you can focus on what matters most, growing your business and engaging with your audience. Now, if you're worried about the AI being too robotic, don't be. One of the things HoundDog gets right is human-like interactions. It can engage with your customers in a conversational manner, making them feel like they're interacting with a real person. Whether it's chatbots or virtual assistants, this feature is perfect for enhancing customer experience while saving your team time. But what about pricing? HoundDog AI comes with a competitive pricing structure that caters to businesses of all sizes. Whether you're a solopreneur or running a larger enterprise, there's a plan that works for you. You'll also be pleased to know there's a free trial available so you can get a feel for the platform before committing. Lastly, a quick note on security. With the increasing concern about data privacy, HoundDog AI makes sure to keep your information safe with top-notch encryption and compliance with data protection regulations. It's crucial for businesses that handle sensitive customer data to ensure their AI tools are secure, and HoundDog has you covered on that front. So, is HoundDog AI the best just released AI software? If you need a versatile, easy-to-use tool that's perfect for automating tasks, analyzing data, and improving your business operations, this could be the perfect fit. You can try it for free using the first link below and see if it works for your needs. If you're still on the fence or looking for other options, I've got my recommended AI tools listed in the description after trying thousands of AI software. Check them out and find the one that best suits your needs.